Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to create a URL checker. So this is the program. First of all, what we're going to do is we're going to install this program, LWP User Agent. You do this using pip and you need this program on board. Okay, and after that we're going to create a subroutine called check URL. Okay, and in this we're going to create something scalar variable called path, which is to my desktop path here, this scalar variable. So that's my desktop path. Your desktop path is going to be different from this. And then we're going to come down onto chdir, change directory into this path. Then after that, what we're going to do is we're going to create an array called URLs right here. So in this array I have two URLs. So the first URL is google.com. So we know that's a live URL, and the next one is example.com non-existent page, which is not alive. So this is going to be the broken one here. And then we come down a little bit further and we create a new text file. So that text file will show up on the desktop, and we call it alive.txt. And then what we do is we give it a little generic error message here. Below that we create another variable called UA, short for user agent, and then we add in LWP user agent new, and we give it a timeout of 3 seconds. So if it doesn't work, it waits for 3 seconds. And then what we do here is we print out creating report. So print that out to the user so the user knows what's going on. After that we give it a pause of 1 second using the sleep function here. So that will pause the program for 1 second and make it look like it's working. Then we come down onto the for each loop here. So we've got scalar URL and we loop through the array here. And then we create another variable called res and we assign that to the user agent and head of the URL. So we get the URL, and then if it's a success we print the file handler and the URL alive here, which will be on the screen live for the user to see. Actually, no, this one won't be. This will be printed into the file. The next print here will print out the URL alive so the user can see it in real time. Or else we use a catch-all. If that's not what happens, we use the catch-all, which is print URL is broken. So the user will be able to see that in real time on their screens. Okay, let's run the program. Right, you can see it's working here. Create report. Yeah, so google.com is alive here, and we've got example.com non-existent is a broken URL. Okay, we'll head on to the desktop in a second or two and we'll see if it's created the file, which it has, alive. We'll open the file. Let's just make it a little bit bigger so you can see it. Google.com is alive. So there you go, it works. Right, that's just about it for this. Thank you very much for coming along and watching the video, and remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscription button below and give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye bye.